How to remove registry files of IDM. So if you want to remove registry files of IDM, then what you need to do is just go with the bottom left, which has that Windows option, and then go with Run. Under Run, you just need to simply search for REGEDIT, hit the Enter. Click on Yes, and it will open up your registry editor. So under your registry editor, now what you need to do is just go with your H key current user, or just simply go with the Control F. And here you need to find or search for Internet Download Manager and hit the Enter, and it will search on the registry. And once you're under your IDM, now what you need to do is just go with default, which is here on the right side. Right click on it and then go with delete. Once you've deleted, now go with the next step. And once you've done that, now again simply go with Control F and then again search for Internet Download Manager or IDM and then go with Find Next, and you'll get again the default option on the right side, and then again go with delete. Just go with right click and then delete, and once you've deleted, you may have 20 to 30 files. So you just need to simply go and remove each and every file, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's how you can remove your registry files of IDM, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.